liters of hair shampoo. Nitrosol 60 gram. Soda ash light 200 gram. Sulfonic 250 ml. Foaming booster 250 ml. Caustic soda 50 gram. Vitamin E 30 ml. Color 5 gram. Formalin 20 ml and perfume 40 ml. Now let me show you the chemicals one by one and also go into the mixing of the chemicals. Let's move on. Alright, these are the chemicals we're going to be using for this preparation. Now this is our nitrosol. This is nitrosol. And this is soda ash light. Here we're using soda ash light, not soda ash, but soda ash light. And this is sulfonic. This is the foaming booster we're going to use. This is caustic soda. And this is vitamin E. This is the color we're going to use. This is formalin, that is the preservative. And this is perfume. So these are the list of chemicals we're going to be using in this production. Alright, now we're going to measure some volume of water into a container. The total volume of shampoo we're going to produce here is 5 liters. So we're going to add water to the volume of just 5 liters. So it means that all the volume of water we're going to use should be 5 liters. Okay, so now we're going to add nitrosol. Please, when adding the nitrosol, add it gently, bit by bit, and at the same time you keep stirring it. Add it gently and stir it properly. As you add, you keep stirring, keep adding and keep stirring until the solution becomes very thick, depending on the kind of nitrosol you are using. But this one that I'm using here, as you are adding, the solution gets thicker and thicker. As you can see, the solution is very thick now. It's thick to my taste, so I have to stop. Make sure you stir very hard so that lumps are not formed. As you can see, it's very thick, and that's how it should be. But in the case of yours, if it is not as thick as this, don't worry. Depending on the kind of nitrosol you're using, some can be very thick, some may not be thick. Okay, depending on the type you're using, just don't worry. Just go ahead with the mixing. Now we're going to dissolve the soda ash light. Just like I said earlier, we are using soda ash light here, not soda ash, but the soda ash light. Now the difference between the soda ash light and the soda ash is that the soda ash light particles is finer than the soda ash. Okay, we are dissolving the soda ash light now. As you can see, the particles are very fine compared to the particles of the soda ash. Make sure that all the particles are properly dissolved before you add it to the nitrosol solution. Alright, we'll now transfer the solution into the nitrosol solution. As you keep adding the soda ash light solution, keep stirring the overall solution of the nitrosol and the soda ash light. Alright, the next solution we're going to add to it is sulfonic. We're going to add sulfonic to it now. Very aggressive foams are formed, so we need enough space to be able to stir it. So we have to transfer the solution to a bigger container. We'll now transfer the solution to a bigger container. So in order to get enough space to be able to stir it, we have to transfer it to a bigger container. So here is our solution of nitrosol